So today when we're looking at expressions, we're going to be given the expressions in word form, and we're going to have to write out the numerical expression that's going to match the phrase. So basically we have to determine where the parentheses are going to go if we even need them using all of our operations. So let's read this numerical expression. 15 minus the sum of 6 and 7. So we know the numbers we're going to have are 15, 6, and 7. So the numbers are easy, so that's an easy thing to determine first. What are your numbers you're going to be using? So now let's look at some of the key words. I'm looking at minus, and I'm looking at sum. Okay, so those are going to pinpoint what operation I'm going to be using. So 15 minus, we know that's a subtraction sign. Okay, so that matches what the words are saying. 15 minus the sum of 6 and 7. So what are we doing with 6 and 7? We're going to be adding them. Okay, now look at your phrase again. Does it want to know 15 minus 6? Or does it want to know 15 minus whatever the sum of 6 and 7 is? So I'm going to be putting parentheses around 6 and 7 because I have to determine the sum first and then subtract 15 from it. So now that's easy. I add 7 plus 16. Well, 7 plus 16, 13. And I'm going to bring down the rest of my expression. 15 minus 13 equals 2. So the answer to my expression is 2.